Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, and I'm really happy that you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mike. Thank you for joining us. We're very excited to help you learn English step by step.
Yes, if you are a beginner, don't worry. Today's episode is perfect for you. We will learn daily use English vocabulary that you can use in your everyday life.
Exactly. These are simple words and phrases, and we will explain them slowly so you can understand easily.
And don't forget, you can repeat after us. Repeating is very important in learning English.
Right, so let's start our journey. Are you ready?
Yes, let's begin with morning routine vocabulary. Everyone has a morning routine, and it's important to know the words.
The first word is wake up.
Wake up means you stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow, you are an early bird.
Yes, but on weekends, I wake up very late.
That's very honest.
The next word is get up.
Get up means to leave your bed.
I get up and go to the bathroom.
Very good. Another common word is brush.
Brush means to clean your teeth or your hair.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Good habit. Brushing teeth is very important.
Yes, and don't forget to brush your hair too.
Another word we use in the morning is wash.
Wash your face, wash your hands.
I wash my face and hands after I wake up.
Very useful sentence.
Very useful sentence. After that, we can talk about breakfast words.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
Some people eat eggs, bread, or fruit.
And some people drink tea or coffee.
Mike loves coffee, right?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Coffee helps me wake up.
Another word is hungry.
Hungry means you want to eat food.
I am hungry.
And when you eat enough, you are full.
I am full.
But don't eat too much.
Yes, that's important. Eating a lot can make you sleepy. Now, let's learn daily action verbs. These words are used very often.
The first verb is go.
Go means move from one place to another.
I go to work.
I go to school.
Next word is come.
Come means move toward someone.
Please come here.
Very simple, very useful.
Another important verb is do.
Do is very common in English.
I do my homework.
I do my job.
English really loves the word do.
Yes, do is everywhere in English.
Another verb we use is make.
Make means to create or prepare something.
I make breakfast every morning.
I make my bed.
Simple verbs, but very important.
Now, let's talk about work and study words.
These words help you in your daily life at school or work.
The first word is work.
Work is your job or what you do for money.
I work in an office.
I work from home.
Next word is study.
Study means to learn something.
I study English every day.
That's excellent. Another word is learn.
Learn means to get new knowledge.
I learn new English words from this podcast.
Yes, repetition helps you remember words.
Exactly. And you can practice these words every day.
Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot.
Small practice is better than no practice.
Now we can learn people and relationship words. These words help you talk about family and friends.
The first word is friend.
A friend is someone you like and trust.
You are my friend.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Jessica. Another word is family.
Family means parents, brothers, sisters, and children.
I love my family.
Short sentence, strong meaning.
Yes, very strong meaning.
Next word is neighbor.
Neighbor is the person who lives near you.
My neighbor is very kind.
And you can greet your neighbor every day.
Yes. Hello, how are you?
Very simple, very polite.
Now let's talk about shopping words.
Shopping is important in daily life.
The first word is buy.
Buy means get something with money.
I buy vegetables every week.
Another word is sell.
Sell is the opposite of buy.
Shopkeepers sell clothes.
Next word is price.
Price means how much something costs.
What is the price?
Very useful question.
Yes, you can use it every day.
Another word is cheap.
Cheap means not expensive.
I want to buy cheap fruit.
Another word is expensive.
Expensive means high price.
I don't buy expensive clothes.
Simple but very important words.
Now, let's talk about feelings and emotions. These words help you talk about how you feel.
The first word is happy.
Happy means you feel good.
I am happy today.
Another word is sad.
Sad means you feel bad.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
Yes, feelings are natural.
Another word is tired.
Tired means you need rest.
I am tired after work. Sometimes I feel tired too.
It's normal. Everyone feels tired.
Another word is excited.
Excited means you feel happy about something.
I am excited to learn English today.
Good sentence. You can use it every day.
Now, let's practice daily English sentences together.
Yes. Repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I study English every day.
I feel happy.
I drink water.
I clean my room.
I cook dinner.
I talk to my friend.
These simple sentences are very powerful.
Now, let's learn time words.
The first word is today.
Today, I study English.
Next word is tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I will practice English.
The word yesterday.
Yesterday, I worked.
These words help you talk about your daily life.
Now, let's learn polite words.
Polite words are very important in English.
The first word is please.
Please help me.
Next word is thank you.
Thank you very much.
And the reply is you're welcome.
Simple, short, and polite.
Now, let's talk about home vocabulary. We spend a lot of time at home.
The word clean.
I clean my room every day.
Another word is cook.
I cook dinner for my family.
Mike, are you a good cook? I try. Sometimes the food is interesting.
That's a nice way to say it.
Another word is wash.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
Very useful at home.
Now, let's finish with encouraging words. These words help you stay motivated.
The first word is practice.
Practice English every day.
The word improve.
Your English will improve every day.
Step by step, you will get better.
Yes, don't give up.
Learning English is fun if you do it every day.
And remember, small steps are very important. Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, we hope you learned many useful words.
Listen again, repeat the words, and practice every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and happy English learning.
Bye. Keep learning and practicing English every day.